Hi friends, welcome to our channel Green Petals. Today's video is about how we can treat dark circles around the eyes naturally at home. This amazing remedy can also reduce wrinkles around the eyes and can also tighten sagging skin under the eyes. There are only two major ingredients needed for this remedy. Before moving on to the video, please subscribe to this channel if you have not. Press the bell icon next to it and select the option all so that you don't miss any of my new videos. The first ingredient of this remedy is ripe banana. Ripe banana contains vitamin C which helps reduce skin darkness. Vitamin E contained in banana helps in moisturizing the skin. It will also help in tightening the skin. Second ingredient is cucumber. It contains good quantity of antioxidants and vitamin C. Cucumber can also fight skin darkening and can tighten the skin. It has a good cooling property which can cool the eyes and relieve swollen eyelids. Take equal quantity of banana and cucumber. There is no need to peel the cucumber or remove the seeds. Mix them to paste using a mixer without adding water. See, now it has a creamy consistency. If you need, you can add some oil for easy application. I am using sweet almond oil, adding half teaspoon of oil. You can also use coconut oil or vitamin E oil or olive oil instead of sweet almond oil. You can store it in an airtight container in a refrigerator and use it for 1 week. By freezing it to ice cubes in a freezer, you can use it for 2 weeks. Apply the paste around the eyes before going to bed. No need to wash it off at night. Wash it off the next day morning. Follow the routine for 2 weeks to get a wonderful result. Hope you found this video useful. If so, please like the video and share it with your friends and family. Until we meet again with the next natural remedy. Bye bye.